In this video, I will tell you how you can fix system UI isn't responding issue on any Samsung device. To fix this, you will need to force restart your device. To force restart, press the volume down button and the power button at the same time and keep holding until your screen goes black. Press the volume down button and the power button at the same time and keep holding for 10 to 15 seconds, and once the screen goes black, release the buttons. This issue happens when your phone storage is almost full and device is unable to process things. Consider deleting unnecessary data from your device. I'll tell you one more method by which you can boost up your device. To do that, just navigate to your settings application right here and scroll down until you see device care. Device care is right here, just tap on that, and right here you can see app protection, just tap on that and scan your device for any viruses. It will scan your device and this will boost up your device as well. So that's how you can fix system UI is not responding on any Samsung device. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.